How to fix Twitter notification not working on your Android device. But be aware that Twitter name has been already changed to X, so we're going to try on X. It's the same thing. Now, if you want to have Twitter notification, what you can do is simply tap on the app for some time and head over to app info with the eye icon. Then simply go to the permission section and scroll down and you will find notification panel just over here. Tap on it and make sure that the notification is toggled on. As it is turned on, that is why the notification from this app are blocked. So if you turn this on, you'll get a notification. And also make sure that if you turn on this lock screen and if you turn on app icon badge and notification pop-up, you'll be seeing the notification even when you just open the phone, in the navigation bar, and everywhere. Then simply head back and also tap on the notification over here and make sure that this is also allowed. And that's it, guys. In this way you can fix your Twitter or X notifications showing on your Android device. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it useful, consider liking and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you on the next one.